My name's Sweatt. This is my bike check. The front end, we have a Shadow front wheel, Shadow rim and hub with Fiend pegs. They're 4.5 inch. I have some Shadow hub guards, Merit option tire, and then the Shadow Inceptive forks. And then bars, I have the Primo rebars in 9 1/4. They're kind of big for me, but they work. Then I have the Shadow Ravager stem. It's old as fuck. All the stem bolts broke. So like, I mean, it works now, I guess. Then I have a Primo headset. Like, I mean, they're all like the same pretty much. And then my frame's a volume vessel. It dents really easily. I have Shadow killer cranks with Shadow pedals. They're alright. Then I have the Shadow Supreme chain, which is really good. I hit it on shit all the time. Pretty strong. I haven't broken it yet. I've had it for like 6 months. Then I have the Shadow snake fucking sprocket. I'm not sure which one it is. I needed a sprocket, so I just went to the bike shop and bought it. Seat, the Tyler Penangle Paradise seat. I don't know, it looks cool, it's soft. I have like a stock seat post, I think it came from like someone's fit. Then my back wheel is a Shadow Free Coaster wheel. It's cool. It doesn't really come loose that much. Pretty strong, doesn't really engage on me. Then I have Fiend 4.5 inch pegs on it with the Daily Grind hub guard and then a G-Sport drive side hub guard. They protect it, it works. Oh, and my bottom bracket is a Shadow bracket, and my grips are Craig Casero grips. Very soft. I really like them. And yeah, I think that's my whole bike.
Never gon' let her fuck a trendsetter. White chick said I got